Comprehensive guide to securing your OT infrastructure with Acronis Cyber Protect OT. In today's industrial world, operational technology, OT, infrastructure is the backbone of factories, plants, utilities, and other industrial operations. Protecting it is mission critical. The challenge/problem statement. Yet many OT environments face serious risks: hardware failures, cyber attacks, system outages, and legacy systems that are hard to maintain or recover. What is Acronis Cyber Protect OT? Acronis Cyber Protect OT is a comprehensive solution designed specifically to protect operational technology environments. It combines cybersecurity, data protection, and disaster recovery into a single platform, ensuring continuous availability and resilience against threats. The cost of downtime. Every minute of downtime can cost thousands or more in lost production, safety risks, regulatory impact, and customer trust. Why OT is hard to protect. OT systems often run on legacy Windows/Linux versions, may be air-gapped, and cannot tolerate frequent reboots or disruptions, making protection difficult. Enter Acronis Cyber Protect OT. That's where Acronis Cyber Protect OT comes in: purpose-built cyber resilience for OT infrastructure. Key value: uptime and rapid recovery. With Acronis, you shift from hours or days of downtime to minutes, ensuring production stays running or recovers fast. One-click recovery, local workers. Even non-IT staff can trigger one-click recovery, restoring failed systems in minutes without needing IT intervention. Legacy and range of OS support. Whether your OT systems run on legacy Windows or aged Linux, Acronis supports operating systems from the XP era through modern versions. Support for air-gapped environments. Even in air-gapped or disconnected environments, Acronis can back up and restore, no network dependency required. Integrated cybersecurity plus data protection. Acronis converges cybersecurity and backup. The same agent can protect, scan, remediate, and recover OT systems. Active protection, EDR, malware scanning. It includes active protection versus ransomware, EDR capabilities, antivirus scanning of backups to catch threats before restore. Centralized dashboard and monitoring. You get a centralized dashboard that consolidates OT metadata, streams it to monitoring hubs, and drives visibility across systems. Advanced management and forensics. Use the solution for vulnerability assessments, patch management, software/hardware inventory, and forensic data in incident response. Flexible storage options. Backups can be stored locally, on network storage, or in the Acronis cloud or other clouds, giving flexibility and off-site resiliency. Deployment modes. Deploy on-premises, in cloud, or hybrid, whichever suits your infrastructure, including in OT environments. Compliance and encryption. Acronis uses AES-256 encryption, in transit and at rest, and supports compliance with industry standards like IEC 62443, NERC CIP, GXP, and more. Backup best practice. It supports the 3-2-1 backup rule: 3 copies across media, 1 offsite, critical for defending against hardware failure, malware, or site disaster. Want to learn more? Visit our website.